What's going on, everybody? It's Stock Picks by Tim, and I apologize in advance if you hear my kids in the background. But I really wanted to talk about Sphere 3D really quick. Haven't talked about it in a while, and we are down almost 10% on the day. After hours, it did come up 2%. But you know, I started looking into this, and I'm wondering what the heck's going on. Why is this down so much compared to just the overall market? I mean, you've got CleanSpark relatively flat. It was, I believe, down like 2% on the day. I mean, Mara was down almost 6%, but that wasn't as severe as Sphere 3D. So I'm going to look into this a little bit deeper and just see if, you know, there's any news about the merger or what's going on there. If you guys like these quick updates, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I put out daily videos, and make sure you check out the links below for some free crypto and stocks. Now, going over to Griffin Digital, they really haven't mentioned anything about the merger lately, but that doesn't mean it's not expected still. And when I go over to Rob Chang's Twitter, he's one of the executives in Griffin Digital. He does have this pinned still, and actually, I feel like last time I was here at his profile, I didn't see this pinned, because it is a bit old. He does post relatively often, so he's definitely worth a follow. He puts some cool stuff once in a while. Seems to me like the merger's still on. And going over to Griffin Digital's actual site, you'll see that, you know, the merger is still planned according to this. It could just be that this hasn't been updated lately. I have no reason to not expect the merger. It just seems like we're still in the waiting game, and we were waiting for either this or the next quarter for the merge. Now, one reason this could be slightly down, because this is a relatively heavy retail play from what I have noticed, is we do have this negative article. But what's funny, I mean, it was posted today, as of this upload, of course. You'll notice here that this article was written March 7, but when you go down here, it's like they copy and pasted this article, because it says right here the market valuation or market cap was 136 million at the time of this writing and expected to release its quarterly earnings November 15, 2021. This was a copy and paste for the most part, at least from what I can understand, and they probably used a computer to get these numbers here. But I just find it kind of funny that this was the only negative article I could find. You know, there, to me, was no real reason for this to be down so much. And real quick, before I look at the chart, I just wanted to show you guys that we do have quite a bit of short interest. We do have 33% of the float shorted. And quickly looking at the chart, I do have it zoomed out for you guys because I wanted to show you why we are bouncing off this level. You'll notice this is a very strong support level before we even had that merger. So I do expect this level to hold. And last time we were down here, we had a nice double bottom, and it looks like, if you zoom in, looks like another one coming in here. And we didn't come as close as we did last time when we hit 178. This time we were bouncing off like 190 or so, 188. So I do think this is a great place to add into Spear. I have been kind of avoiding it, letting it just downtrend, but I do think now is a time to get in. And we are bouncing off that RSI from oversold. And the MACD is also curling. We do have some volume kicking in. Every time we hit this level, we have a nice little kick of some volume. So just figured I'd give you guys an update on Sphere 3D. I know I don't mention it much. It is kind of on the back burner for me. It's a smaller stock in my portfolio, but I am letting you know that I am still holding it, and it does look like it's ready to buy. Anywhere near this support level, I think, is a great time to average in. But that's it for you guys. Just a quick update for you. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and peace.